Welcome to the Shreve Crump and Low YouTube channel. Today we will be unboxing the FP Journe Chronomètre Souverain Havana. Inside the modestly sized outer box, you will find a beautiful, modestly sized, matte finish wooden box. This inner box houses your watch, as well as the accompanied FP Journe accessories, including your FP Journe watch polishing cloth, and under the watch presentation form, your gray leather wallet for your watch's warranty card, and small pocket for your FP Journe USB manual. This 40mm platinum Chronomètre Souverain is in exceptional, like new condition. This specific Chronomètre Souverain has a unique Havana dial, whose soft and luscious chocolate tone invoke thoughts of fine cigars and a peaty single malt scotch. The complementary tan-colored alligator strap is of the highest quality. For specific FP Journe inquiries or inquiries about other rare and unique pieces, please contact sales@shrevecrumpandlow.com. The FP Journe mantra of invent et facit, Latin for invented and made, holds true for all watches throughout FP Journe's brand offering. Mr. Francois Paul Journe himself spares no expense in achieving his ideal of perfection. In most cases with his watches, Mr. Journe conceptualizes the design of the dial and cases and then challenges himself and fellow watchmakers to develop a caliber to accommodate the aesthetic design of his timepieces. A challenge opposite to the traditional design process of fine watchmaking, which generally begins with engineering the mechanics of the movement. Mr. Journe is known for once discontinuing a specific reference, not returning to produce the same piece again. Mr. Journe's focus on crafting the most visually beautiful timepieces with the most innovative modern mechanisms is truly an endeavor worth the acclaim, and a coveted place in any collector's watch box. View our entire certified pre-owned collection at www.shrevecrumpandlow.com, or visit one of our storefronts and meet our team of passionate experts who will happily assist you in the acquisition of your new timepiece. Shreve Crump Low is an authorized retailer of FP Journe in our Boston location. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us by phone at 617-267-9100 or email via sales@shrevecrumpandlow.com. We hope to see you very soon.